Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing any battery or external power. You need a stable, safe workspace. Once grounded, remove visible screws on the laptop base and keep them organized by location. Make sure to pry open the bezel or keyboard frame gently with a plastic spudger. You want to expose the keyboard edges without cracking clips. As you work, observe where the ribbon cable meets the motherboard so you can disconnect it carefully in the next step. You now focus on the ribbon cable. Unlock the ZIF connector by flipping the tiny latch or sliding the clamp back. This prevents damage. Once unlocked, pull the ribbon straight out. Do not bend or twist it, and lift the keyboard by its top edge where clips disengage. If you encounter screws or adhesive strips, remove or soften them first, and note any foam spacers. Keep screws and clips separated so reassembly mirrors disassembly. This saves time and prevents lost. You place the new keyboard by seating the top edge into the frame, aligning clips, and pressing down until it snaps. Reinsert the ribbon into the ZIF connector and lock the latch. Once secure, replace screws and the bezel, then reconnect the battery and power on. Test every key and the backlight if present. If something is wrong, reseat the ribbon and confirm the latch is closed. Also try updating drivers or using an external keyboard to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.